AI isn't just a buzzword, it's the engine humming beneath nearly every industry. Today's breakthroughs are real and happening fast. In this video, we'll count down 5 tech trends that Gen Z viewers must know. From brains talking to machines to computers that warp reality, buckle up. 1. Generative AI and autonomous intelligence. Generative AI. Tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT can conjure human-like text from a simple prompt, while DALL-E creates images from words. This stuff is already mainstream. ChatGPT hit 100 million users in just 2 months. Companies are pouring in cash. Emphatic spending on generative AI is projected to hit $644 billion by the end of 2025, a 76% jump from 2024. In short, computers are now creative partners, writing your emails, drawing art, and even suggesting creative codes for certain online human assistant gadgets. This isn't sci-fi, it's the new norm. 2. Spatial computing, AR, VR. Augmented and Virtual Reality, or spatial computing. VR, AR has exploded among young users. Over 171 million people tried VR in 2024, including 30% of Gen Z and millennials. New hardware makes it sleeker. Think Meta's Quest 3 and Apple's Vision Pro, blending digital and real worlds. It's not just for gamers anymore. Surgical trainees rehearse operations in VR. Architects walk through virtual buildings, and friends meet in online worlds. In fact, one report says VR is growing into education and healthcare, far beyond games. The future is immersive, and right now you can step into it. 3. Humanoid robots and automation.
Great. Can I have something to eat?
Sure thing.
Can you explain why you did what you just did while you pick up this trash?
On it. So I gave you the apple because it's the only edible item I could provide you with from the table.
Robots. Humanoids that once only lived in labs are coming to work. Boston Dynamics is sending its electric Atlas robot into a Hyundai factory this year. These electric robots are designed to carry heavy loads that strains human beings. Tech giants are jumping in too. Rumors say Apple and Meta are developing consumer robots. These consumer robotics are robots will be specially designed for personal or domestic use. Goldman Sachs has predicted that humanoids could be a $38 billion market by the year 2035. Elon Musk is full steam ahead. He revealed Tesla plans to produce roughly 5,000 of its Optimus robots in 2025. Likening that number to the size of a Roman legion. In short, whether on shop floors or your home, friendly bots will be marching in soon. Are you ready to share your workplace and home with humanoids? Leave your comments below. 4. Brain-computer interfaces, neurotech.
Welcome to the Neuralink presentation. This is an update for the progress of the Neuralink team. It's been an incredible amount of progress. This is, we're going to start off high level, generally describing what Neuralink's doing, and then we're going to have a very deep technical dive so you can actually get an understanding of what exactly we're doing at a granular level and what we can do to enhance human capabilities and ultimately build a great future for humanity.
Companies like Elon Musk's Neuralink are already implanting chips in humans so brains can control devices. In 2024, Neuralink completed its first human implant surgeries, and a rival, Paradromics, just did the same. These tiny chips translate thought into action, letting paralyzed patients move a cursor or even speak through AI. Investors see the potential. Neuralink closed a $650 million round to deepen the connection between biological and artificial intelligence. Other players, from China's New Cyber to Synchron, are racing in. Soon, you may literally think, "Hey Google," and your phone will answer. The fusion of mind and machine is no longer a pipe dream. 5. Quantum computing and next-gen chips. Forget classical bits, qubits are here. Google's new quantum chip, Willow, can solve in minutes what today's supercomputers would take so many years to crack. Microsoft's own Majorana 1 chip also just announced breakthroughs that make quantum more reliable.
Normally, when you hear about quantum in pop culture, you might think it's fantastical or abstract or confusing.
Why care? Because quantum computers could instantly break today's encryption and simulate complex molecules for drug discovery. Big tech is betting on it. IBM, Amazon, and others are pouring resources into quantum supremacy will reshape data security and materials science right before our eyes. There you have it. AI that thinks and creates. Worlds blending real and virtual. Robots among us. Minds wired to machines and computers that defy physics. These trends prove the future is happening right now. Gen Z and beyond. Keep watching. Your daily life will look radically different in a few years to come. Which trend excites you the most? Drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to TechTymz for more cutting-edge tech updates.